Born on June 26, 1918, in Karnataka's Karwar district, Major Rama Raghubar Rane was a distinguished Indian military officer and the first living recipient of India's highest military honour, the Paramveer Chakra. Rane served in the British Indian Army during World War II, participating in the Burma campaign against Japan. Post-war, he continued his military career, joining the Bombay Sappers Regiment of the Indian Army Corps of Engineers on December 15, 1947. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, Rane's expertise was pivotal in clearing tunnels, facilitating the Indian Army's advance towards Rajouri. His courageous efforts, particularly in aiding the movement of Indian tanks, earned him the Paramveer Chakra on April 8, 1948. Major Rane retired in 1968 and passed away in 1994 at the age of 76, leaving behind a legacy of valor and dedication to his country. On June 26, 1995, Madhya Pradesh was designated as India's tiger state due to its significant tiger population and robust wildlife conservation efforts. In 1972, India's first tiger census revealed only 1,827 tigers, prompting the launch of Project Tiger in 9 reserves to boost their numbers. By the 1990s, the tiger population had surged to over 3,500. Madhya Pradesh emerged with the highest tiger count, earning the title of Tiger State, which it held for 16 years until Karnataka surpassed it in 2016. However, in the 2019 Tiger Census, Madhya Pradesh reclaimed the title with 526 tigers out of India's total of 2,977. Karnataka and Uttarakhand followed with 524 and 442 tigers respectively. Tiger counts are conducted every 4 years in India to monitor and protect this vital species. On June 26, 1982, Air India's Boeing aircraft named Gauri Shankar crashed in Mumbai while arriving from Singapore via Kuala Lumpur and Chennai. The flight had 111 passengers on board, including 12 crew members. Despite the severe crash, 82 people survived, while 17 lost their lives and 12 were injured. The crash occurred under adverse weather conditions with strong winds and heavy rain. During landing, one of the plane's 4 engines exploded, causing the aircraft to lurch 50 meters into the air. Upon hitting the ground again, another engine detached from the plane. Eventually, the aircraft came to a halt on the runway, broken into 3 parts. Remarkably, the plane did not catch fire, which contributed significantly to the survival of 82 passengers.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
On June 26, 1945, representatives from 50 countries signed a charter in San Francisco to promote peace and security. This charter, which came into force on October 24, 1945, led to the establishment of the United Nations. The primary goals of the United Nations are to maintain international peace and security, foster friendly relations among nations, and promote social progress, better living standards, and human rights. The United Nations also aims to prevent future conflicts. The foundation of the UN was driven by the devastation of two world wars between 1910 and 1950, which resulted in massive destruction, economic loss, and the death of thousands. The need for an international organization to ensure peace and security was recognized, leading to the consensus on forming the United Nations during the 1945 San Francisco Conference. Today, the United Nations has 193 member countries, and its foundation day is celebrated annually on October 24, marking the day the UN Charter came into effect. On June 26, 1498, Chinese ruler Hongzhi patented the toothbrush, securing exclusive rights to its design. Tooth cleaning methods date back to 3000 BC, with people initially using tree branches. By 1600 BC, branches from aromatic trees were used to combat bad breath. Brushing evolved to incorporate animal hair on wooden handles, while various substances like clay, ash, and eggshell paste served as toothpaste substitutes. In 1498, King Hongzhi of the Ming Dynasty created the first toothbrush using pig hair and patented it, making it available to the general public. In 1780, William Addis mass-produced toothbrushes with horsehair. The first three-line toothbrush, introduced in 1844, remains a popular design. Today, toothbrushes continue to evolve, with electric versions now widely available.